Boolean operation union. If you go to the Home tab, here it is union, or go to Solid tab, here it is Boolean operation, the first tool union. Union means if you have single 3D objects, you can make combine as a union. Just go to union and select the object one by one, or you can select all together and simply enter. Now if you select this object, it is combined one object. Now you can see it is like this, but here this is separate objects. You can select multiple object also. Go to the union, select object one by one, or you can select all the object like this window selection and simply enter. Now these objects are union.